Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to delete playlists on YouTube. Very easy and simple to do. So if you just want to head over to your YouTube application, and then once you're on here you just want to click on your library in the bottom right corner. And then if you scroll down you see that you have a couple playlists here, so all you have to do is click on the playlist that you want to delete. And then you just see the little trash can just under the name of the playlist. So you just want to click on the trash can, delete playlist, you want to click on delete. And it's as easy as that. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.